Does marketing feel like a never ending chore? Maybe you start strong for a few weeks, but then it gets overwhelming and you just stop altogether. Does that sound familiar? If it does, I'm here to tell you you're not alone. Most business owners feel stuck in this very cycle. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to talk about why staying consistent is so hard. And more importantly, how can you finally break that cycle? By the end, you'll have simple, sustainable strategies to make consistency not only doable, but something you actually enjoy. Yes, I just said enjoy. I've worked with so many entrepreneurs and small business owners over the past 20 years who've struggled with this same problem. In fact, one of my clients went from posting sporadically to following a simple weekly schedule. And within 3 months, they saw a 30% increase in engagement and inquiries. And let me tell you, just a few small changes can make a huge difference. Now, before I dive in, make sure to grab my free guide, The 5 Best Social Media Posts to Save Time and Boost Results. It's packed with ideas to help you simplify your marketing. Now, I want to start by talking about what's really going on when we struggle with consistency. A lot of business owners want to show up online, but they don't have a plan. So they end up posting sporadically or just when they feel inspired. Or worse, they try to do way too much at once. I had a client who was trying to post 3 times a day on every platform. Honestly, she made it for about 2 weeks before giving up completely. And you know what? I don't blame her. That's exhausting and completely unsustainable if you are doing things by yourself. And here's the thing, you don't need to do everything. The key is to start small and manageable. Pick one platform to start. Maybe it's Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. Pay attention. You want to pick whatever works best for your business and commit to posting 2 to 3 times a week to start. That's it. When you stay consistent, even at a small scale, you're building momentum. Now, is that too much? Start with 1 post a week, but stay consistent. Now, let's talk about a very familiar term, overwhelm, because it's a big one. Have you ever fallen down the rabbit hole of online marketing advice? One guru tells you to post videos every day, while another one says you need to focus on blogs. And then someone else comes along and swears by email marketing. It's confusing, right? I had a client who was constantly jumping from one strategy to the next. She spent so much time and money trying new things, but never stuck with anything long enough to see results. Now, the truth? You don't have to do everything. Marketing doesn't need to be complicated. Wait, did I just say that? Yes, marketing does not need to be complicated. But what you do need is a clear plan that's tailored to your business. Start with one product or service that you want to focus on. Build your content around that. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what works. All right, I don't know about you, but let's get into the solution. Planning. When you don't have a plan, marketing becomes reactive. You're scrambling to come up with ideas and it feels overwhelming. But when you take just 1 hour a month to plan ahead, I'm here to share with you that everything changes. Here's a simple tip to get started. Print out a blank calendar. Decide on one topic or service to focus on for the month. Then plan 2 to 3 posts a week around that. Let me give you an example. Monday, post a photo or a graphic. Wednesday, share a quick tip or a story. And if you're going to do 3 times a week, do one of the previous ones you didn't. So if on Wednesday you shared a quick tip, then on Friday or Saturday, share a story. And then the best part, repeat. It's all about consistency, not perfection. And if you need help, make sure to download my free guide because it has 5 easy to use social media post ideas to get you started. All right, let's quickly recap what all we just talked about. Inconsistency happens because of overwhelm, misinformation, and not having a plan. The solution is to start small, simplify your approach, and focus on what works. And most importantly, commit to a plan that you can actually stick to. Now, to the fun part. Here's your challenge for the week. Pick one platform and post something. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just take that first step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who could also use hearing these tips. And before you go, don't forget to grab the free download, the 5 best social media posts to save time and boost results. It's packed with tips and ready to use templates to help you stay consistent without the stress. It's simple, actionable, and designed to get you results quickly. So don't wait. Make sure to download it today.